This camel has insane Easter egg inside, and Alex has more face expressions than you think. In this video, I'm going to show you some awesome LEGO Minecraft Easter eggs and hidden details. Okay, let's get started. Our first Easter egg is hidden inside this hog. This guy literally has a brain, but it's really small. When we open his head, we can see a pink stud inside that represents his brain. At first, he looks really angry. But if we pop out his eyes and flip them upside down, he suddenly looks really sad. Our next Easter egg is inside the camel. If we open him up, we find a blue 2x4 brick that represents water. It's a fun detail because camel can survive for many days without drinking since they store water in their bodies. Next we have Alex. Most people think she only has one face, maybe two, but actually there are three. The first one is the normal, classic. The second one looks surprised or shocked. And the last one is an angry expression. Steve has the same thing too. He also gets this weird looking face. We all know LEGO made chicken eggs, but they also made frog eggs. You can see them printed right on this transparent tile. In Minecraft, sniffers can lay eggs, but in LEGO they can only move their heads by pressing this piece. The sniffer's egg can't be stored inside, but there's a trick. If we remove the tiles, pop out this piece and attach it upside down. Now we can store the egg inside. Then we attach the tiles back onto the sniffer, and just like that, our sniffer is ready. He can sniff around and keep his egg safely inside. LEGO did this illegal technique while building the stone cutter by attaching tile bricks in between two studs. Next we have this cool pot piece with the heart print and the skeleton face print both printed right on the brick. The really awesome thing is if we stack them, it creates a picture of a skeleton wearing a chest plate. And you can also see a player wearing an iron helmet and a chest plate. How cool is that? Next we have the Garrett minifigure from the Minecraft movie. He has a loin print on his shirt and LEGO actually included that print on his shirt too. It's a little bit similar to the LEGO loin costume minifigures, but LEGO didn't print his legs. Next we have this minifigure with the iron arm. You can see he's wearing a farmer's shirt and one of his strap isn't tied. From the back it's super clear that the strap is untied, which is such a cool little detail. Next we have the Dawn minifigure from the Minecraft movie. In the movie she has a small bag and LEGO actually printed that bag on the minifigure. On the back you can even see that strap. Henry also has a bag in the movie, but LEGO didn't print his bag. Instead they gave him a separate bag piece. Next we have one of the most common detail. LEGO actually prints little minifigure in their instruction books. When you flip the page, the minifigure starts working just like a flip book. They do this in every new LEGO Minecraft set from the smallest to the biggest. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that subscribe button and tell me in the comments which Easter egg or detail is your favorite. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.